Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Hamm from Toy Story. Now before we begin, I want to make sure that you've hit that subscribe button so you get access to all my lessons and community updates. So we're going to get started in the center top of our page with the nose. So we're going to draw a large circle. So we start at the very top in the center. We're going to work our way around towards the bottom of the circle and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to move up and draw the nostrils. So we're going to draw two ovals angled up and in. So we're going to start on the left side, drawing one oval. Now we're going to flip that over on the right side. So let's line up the top of the oval. We're going to angle this down and out in the opposite direction. Now we're going to move down and draw in the lower part of the mouth. So on the left side here, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down. Now we're just going to pull that up on the right side. Let's trace this curve out along the inside. Stepping in, just leave an even space gap all the way around. Now along the bottom, I want to show the teeth. So we start on the left side, curve up, and then across towards the right. Now we want to make it look like the snout is sticking out. So along the bottom edge on the left side of the snout, we're going to curve out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out and then up. Now just above the snout, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Starting on the left, draw in one circle, leave a gap and do the same thing on the right side. Now on the left side of each eye, along the top here, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the outside area of the eye in black. Now we're going to draw a large circle for the head. So in between the eyes, we're going to step up towards the top in the middle. We're going to start by drawing the left side of the circle, going out, rounding this out. Now we're going to pull this in just alongside the mouth. Just curving in. Let's go back to the top and draw on the right side. So we're going to curve around the eyes, down the side of the head. Now again, we're going to pull that in towards the side of the mouth on the right side. Let's add in some eyebrows. Above the left eye, we start out here, we're going to curve up and then in, and we'll go in the opposite direction on the right side. Now let's add the ears along the top of the head. On the top of the eyebrow, right up here, we're going to curve out and then up towards the left, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we just want to round out the tip of the ear and then come down in the opposite direction. Curve around and we'll just pull that in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to trace the ear out along the inside. So we're going to step in, just leave an even space gap along the inside. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. Let's start with the upper part of the shoulders. On the left side, underneath the head, we're going to curve out and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the right side to the same height. Now we're going to draw the arms on top of the body. From this point, I'm going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the tip of the hand. I'm going to round out the hand and curve up and in. So rounding this out, curve in, now we'll just pull that up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Just line up the top of the arm, curving out, and then down. We'll round up the end of the hand. Now we're going to curve up and in towards the body. Now we're going to add the fingers. From the tip, we'll curve out, round out the finger and pull that in. It's almost like a half oval. We're going to step up, curve out, and back in behind the hand. We'll draw one more along the bottom. Now we're going to angle this one down. Come down, and then up. Let's fill the fingernails in black. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side. So from the tip of the hand, curve out, and then in. We're going to leave a gap, curve out, round it up and back in. Now along the bottom, curve down and then back up. Let's fill the fingernails in black. Now we're going to continue the curve of the body in behind the arm down towards the leg. So this curve is going to start down here underneath the arm, curve around then just pull that in. Now we're going to draw the legs on top of the body. From here we're going to step in, curve out, round out the leg. Now we're going to pull that back up and then in towards the body. Let's take that and flip it over. Starting up here, we're going to curve around the leg, round out the end of the leg. Now we're just going to pull that up and then in. To right about there. Now let's add in the toes. Starting from the tip, we're going to draw that small half oval. Now we're going to move outside, curve in the opposite direction. Now we'll move in, curve in the third toe. We're going to fill these all in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the center toe, we're going to go up and then down. And then we'll fill those in black. Now we want to close off the lower part of the body. These two curves go in behind the legs. Starting on the left side, I'm going to curve down and then back up on the right side. Now there's a cork in the lower part of the body here, so we're going to draw an oval, a sideways oval, starting from the center, curve out towards the left, round it out, come along the bottom towards the right, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to show that the cork's pushed in towards the body. So on the side of the cork here, we're going to curve out and pull that in, almost like drawing a small bracket. Now in the center here, along the top, we're going to draw a curve from left to right, going up, then across. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Hamm from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.